All right, this is a lesson on Denny Diaz's solo from Bodhisattva by Steely from the Countdown to Ecstasy album. There's a lot of great techniques going on here, a lot of triplets, a lot of chromatics. We have a swing feel in general, so be aware of that. We're going to start out with this first 4 bars here. We got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we had 1, 2, 3, and on the and of 3, hit that 3rd fret on the 2nd string. And we have a triplet here on the 4th beat, 5, 6, 5. So we got 1, 2, 3. Then we're gonna have 3, 3, 3, 3. So we had a 3 to 3 on the 2nd to 1st strings. And then 3, 6, 3 on the 2nd. 5 to 5, D string to G. We have a 3 to 4 in the G. 5 to open, pull off. 3 to 5 there in the D. So we got 1, 2, 3. And then we have. Okay, so we're going to wait until after the 1. We got 1. So those are all triplets there after that 5 by itself in the D string. So 1. And that's like the swung feel of the 2nd 8th note, you know, the and of 1. So 1. Triplet here, 3, 4, 5 on the A. Triplet on the D. Triplet on the C. 2 triplets on the B. And then 5, 3 on the E to 5 on the 2nd. So it's 1. And that's going to be followed by 1. Okay, so some great riffage in here by Denny Diaz. So we're after the 1 in this. 1, 5 to 3, so 1. Another 5, 6, 5 triplet there. 3 to 5 in the 2nd, so it's 1. And then we're going to come down here. 5, 4 to 3 pull off. There's a chromatic for you. Some great chromatics coming up. And then we have a little pause in there. And then 6 to 3 pull off. 5, 4 to 3. On the 2nd string there. So we got. Then we got 5, 4 in the G, 3, 4, hammer, 5, a little slide down. 1. Okay, so let's look at everything so far. We got 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we have a 3, 4, 5 on the D string, another triplet. To that 3 on the G string. Then we go 5 on the D, 6 on the A. So it's. We have a D at the end of that measure, so. D to 4 O on the A. Then we have O 2, 4 in the A, 2 O in the D. So this part again is. And then the next measure we're going to have 1. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 2. So we come in on the 2 beat. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Then we go 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so once again from this. Okay, so we pause for a second there, and then we come back to the 2, 5, 4, 3, and actually 2 into the 3 this time. So we got. So a pull off, 3 to 2, and then back to 3, 4 in the 2nd. So it's. So we had 2 to 3, 4 here, jump to the 3 here. I'm going to start going up the neck a little bit. So we got. 6, 5, 4, 3. And then quick hammer 4 to 5 to 6 on the 2nd. 5 to 6. And then you got 7 to 8 on the 2nd to 5 over here. So once again we got. You have 6 to 3, little 3 there, 3 on the second, 6 to 5, 5 on the G, 3 to 3 on the second to third strings. Okay, so let's take it back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let me have a 6, 5 to 3, 4, all on the G. 5 to open. Okay, so we have a big low run there. We got. Okay, so 3 on the D, and then 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 1, and then to the 2 there, kind of a hammer. So 3, 1, 3 on the big one, 1 to 2 on the A, another 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, kind of a pull off in the 3 to 2, 4 to 5 slide, kind of a double hammer on there. Then we're getting into that part. Okay, so back a little bit, we got. So we got 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. The timing's real weird on these. You start getting into things where each note holds for a beat and a half, like a dotted quarter note. And these chords coming up are like on upbeats, a lot of them. So it's really weird how it all matches up. It's really interesting writing, of course, with Steely Dan always. So we're gonna slide into these 6s on the bottom 2 strings. Slide back to the 3 on the second, up to the 5 on the second, and then we got 5 to 2, 3 on the D, and then 5, 3, 1, open, all on the A. Big 1, 3, 1 to 3. So they're all slow moving, so it's just the timing is really tricky, so you got to listen to a lot and kind of get that, figure out what the gist of the trick is they're doing, you know. We go into the 6, 5, 3, 6 on the G, 5 to 8 on the B, quick 5 to 6 on the B, 7 on the G, 5, 3, 5, and then 6, 5 on the A. Then we got a 3 on the D, 2 on the G, and then it gets back into they hit a chord and stop, and the guitar solo takes off, so it's like. Pick up with 5, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 3, 4, 5 on the D, 3, 5, kind of a 2 or 3 to 4 on the G, 3, 5, 3 on the B, triplet, 5, 6, 5, 3 to open. So the end of this is like. Okay, and then 5, 3 to 4 hammer, then 5, 4 to 3 pull off, 5, 4, so this measures. We're gonna take that 3 to 1 to 2, big 3, 2 to 3, and then 3 to 5, 5, 5 on the A to D. And then 5, 5, 5, 3 there in the D. Then we're gonna have. So this is kind of a slow one. Pick up on this 5 on the D. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. And that 3, 4, 5 is faster, but these aren't triplets though. And then 3, 5, 3, 4, 3. Okay, so taking it back again. And then we have another pickup. And I got to mention here, so I had trouble. This is really hard to figure out. This thing is so fast right here. Can't even hear what's happening, even when you slow it down to like 50%. And this is a pretty great way of doing it. I haven't seen one that worked out that well so far. So thanks to Pete Weise on this one. So this is going to be how he handles this fast one that's so hard you can barely hear it. So we're going to have a pickup after the 1. We got 1. So we have triplet, triplet, triplet. So it's 1. And then we're going to come out of the scale to get a weird sounding jazzy thing. So 4, 5, 6 in the G, then 3, 4, 5 in the G. Same on the D, same on the A. Slide down in that big 6 B flat there. Okay, so it's 1. And then you have a pickup, 1, and then 3, 1, 3 is like kind of a triplet there. And then 3 to 5 in the A, 3 on the D, back to that one. 3, 5, 3, 5. So it's so we have like a 3, 5, 3, 5. And then we got 3, 4, 3 on the second, 5, 3, triplet there, 3, 5. And then we get into this cool thing. So that's 4, 3, and then 5, 3, 3 times. So, and then 1 more of those in the new measure, and then 2 6 3s, and then a 6 5, and then 7 5 7 5, and then 7 up to the 5, and then 6. We're gonna do 3 of those. 8 6 twice. So let's look at all these. We got that last measure before was. So this one is 8 6 8 6 8 to 9 hammer, 6 8 8 7 6 slide to 5, and then 5 6 5 6 6 to 7 quick slide to 5 6 3 pull off, 5 3 over here. So it's. Okay, so we got that 5 3 goes into the 4 over here. 5 on the D, 2 over here. 5 3 on the A, 2, big 3 to open A, 1 to 3, oh 1. Okay, so once again we got. Okay, so we'll go through everything one more time. We got 1 2 3. great Steely Dan, Bodhisattva, Countdown to Ecstasy album. The great Denny Diaz on guitar. Got tabs with this. Hope you dig it. Thanks a lot.